Hey, what's up, students? Let's go over kind of an introduction to 5.6 parallel lines and perpendicular lines. They have parallel and perpendicular slopes, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's just have a little bit of review. How can you make a y equals mx plus b equation for a line when you're given the slope and you're given an x, y coordinate point? Well, you have three of the four ingredients. So if you're given the slope and you're given x and you're given y, you want to plug those in to the y, to the m, to the x, and then solve for b. So let me do a quick rewrite. So I'm going to plug in a y. I'm going to set that equal to the slope times x plus b. Luckily, I have three of those four pieces. So the y value is -2. I'm going to set that equal to -3, the slope. I like to use brackets when I plug in x just because. And then I add b. All right, so we got to do a little bit of simplifying. Then we're going to find b. Here we go. So -3 times 7, I believe, is -21. So I have -2 equals -21 plus b. Final move, I'm going to add 21 to both sides. When I add 21 to both sides, I find out that my b value equals 19. All right, cool. So I have both my y-intercept, that's what b is. I have my y-intercept, and I already had my slope. So I already had u. So now I can officially make my equation. My equation for a line that has this slope and hits this coordinate point is going to be y equals -3x plus 19. All right. So that's going to be kind of a big deal in lesson 5-6 with parallel and perpendicular lines. Your ability to be given a slope and a coordinate point and then making the y equals mx plus b. Your ability to make that equation quickly is going to be a big deal in lesson 5-6. So again, if you have the slope and you have the x and you have the y, plug them into the equation, solve for b. There's your y-intercept. You already were given the slope. Now you have your two ingredients to make a slope-intercept equation. All right, that's it. We'll see you in class.